It is widely understood that everyday working environments often result in personnel working at height. When working at height is part of your everyday scenario, using personal protective equipment and fall protection systems becomes second nature. But what about any rescue procedures in place in the event of a fall? The Latchways Personal Rescue Device, or PRD as it is known, is an integrated harness which enables self-rescue. The device is the first of its kind, consisting of a full body harness with a built-in descent device, and is designed to be worn as part of everyday workwear. The Latchways PRD provides a simple solution of how to rescue a casualty after a fall has been arrested. The PRD should always be used with a fall protection system or compliant fall arrest anchor point. The user is carrying out maintenance work on a crane rail and slips from his position. A traditional rescue process would require the suspended worker to notify fellow personnel of his fall before the rescue could begin. In this instance, the worker is wearing a Latchways PRD and can conduct a quick self-rescue. The user checks the ground below to ensure descent path is clear and safe landing is possible. He pulls sharply on the release cord to activate the device. The descent commences at a controlled rate of 1 meter per second. The user then prepares for landing by bending his knees. From the point of falling, he is safely on the ground within seconds rather than minutes. The Latchways Personal Rescue Device really does take the drama out of rescue. ArcelorMittal are committed to providing a safe working environment for their employees and approached Latchways with an interest to understanding more about the Latchways PRD and how it may be used within their facilities. Latchways were invited to conduct a controlled demonstration of a PRD within the Ghent facility on the 19th of June 2012. The demonstration was conducted under controlled conditions, using a fire engine access platform as the point from which Olaf von Bommel, a Level 3 trained IRATA technician, demonstrated the PRD device. Firstly, you see that Olaf allows himself to be suspended within the PRD harness as if a fall had taken place. The demonstration was carried out in accordance with IRATA safe access procedures, meaning that a secondary backup line was also in place. Olaf gives the thumbs up to indicate that he is ready to commence with the rescue procedure. He then locates and pulls the release cord for the descent to commence and lands safely. The Latchways Personal Rescue Device has demonstrated that a fast, simple, safe rescue has been carried out from a height of approximately 15 meters in less than 15 seconds from the point of the PRD being activated. The Latchways PRD requires no specialist training. A simple pre-use visual inspection is all that is required prior to using the device, and a full inspection is required annually or in accordance with your company PPE maintenance schedule.
What I just did was I performed a rescue with using the PRD, the personal rescue device from Latchways, and it's actually quite an experience, I must say, because normally when you're hanging there as a casualty, you can rescue yourself. You're just hanging there waiting to be rescued, and this is actually the first device and actually the first experience that I have that I can rescue myself when hanging there, and it really feels safe and comfortable. And you know, when it comes to working at height, it's all about confidence, and the PRD really gives me this kind of confidence that I need, because when I fall, I'm not waiting there for the fire department or anybody else coming to rescue me. Now I can rescue myself actually, and it really works. I just rescued myself. I came down and it really felt comfortable, and everything in control actually. It was good, yeah. I guess they were quite amazed because there were some health safety executives over here, and when they perform a risk assessment, they all got a problem at the end by, okay, we can go out and we can do the work, but when we've got a casualty up there, how are we going to save him? And that's really like for a plant as ArcelorMittal, that's really like a big problem. How do you get someone from this danger zone back in the safety zone when he's just hanging there like 20 meters above the ground? Everybody must have thinking like in the past, like, okay, I wish there was like a device that you just have to pull like a whatever and that you will lower you down as a casualty. And I guess like this morning they have seen that it's like possible. And like, okay, I guess for them it must be like really a good solution. It must be, as a health safety executive, you must feel comfortable now.